I bet there's gonna be a lot of shit redundant. Yeah. Because it deleted everything. I deleted everything. Wait, what? 24. What? This is 34. Right. Three. 21. We're just jumping to the numbers with Finn. Why didn't you import Prelude? Oh, we did. I mean, I bet it's gonna take a long time before linear types land in Haskell. And even if they do, it will be hard, or like it wouldn't be like Rust, because in Rust it's basically core of the language, and all libraries use them like they should. And in Haskell, you basically got this huge base of legacy code, which hasn't really used it at all. You don't know about selected. You know about selected? Oh, you know about selected. So the mutability only doesn't mean you go much faster. No, because Haskell is already really fast, right? So like Sony keeps on commenting how fast it is. Well, at least it's fast on native code. It's not fast on JavaScript. It's really bad. But I believe it can get there. So at some point, maybe. This enables you to allocate a bit more on stack, etc. for example. So yeah, you could do this micro optimizations like they do in data text better. Like yeah, maybe that's what Sarah is getting at. If you can open up mutability or whatever. Redundant constraints, they say. It hates me. I just wanted to... Okay, whatever. Whatever, man. You just have no constraints. We'll just comment them out. There. Happy? I just wanted to compile, damn it. We're back to old school using Cabal because it doesn't know how to deal with extra modules appearing, apparently. Maybe it does, I just don't know how to use it properly. At least it doesn't do it for file wedge. So we need to recompile everything like this, the crappy old way. And we don't even have the script to restart it, fortunately. Place row. Parse rights. Well, I don't like when people programming language compilers are fast or slow. Truth is, you can write slow and fast programs in every language. Yeah, but like some languages just make it easier than others. It's like I explicitly chose to do that game thing in Rust because I didn't have any runtime. So I know that it will be easy to write fast code. It was a very conscious decision at the time. And then dealing with the borrow checker, it was surprising. Surprising, yeah. Especially how it like started determining my architecture and whatever. That was also surprising. Arman. Yeah, I think the playlist is a bit too short for my streams. Usually I stream longer. Need to add more songs. Do you have any suggestions? Oh, you had a couple of them, right? They actually played. I'll add those. And now I know that the 8-bit trick with anime songs is also good. Very good. You don't know L. I'm deleting most of it apparently. Get a time, set, all this shit. Monoid, even Monoid. We don't even use Monoid. Where does the world go? And we don't even use trash, what the hell? Who would have known? Okay, now it compiles it, I hope. Now we get into GCI, so we get the fast compile. It's kind of annoying it has to compile before actually entering GCI. I don't get it, because it's interpreting it. Why do you need to compile it one time? Oh, this is GCI, what the fuck am I doing? I need to have shit. Yeah. Maybe it actually did and I just used the wrong command. Probably not. Ah. Another scope, type, constructor or class, day. Wait, what? Did I delete too much? I deleted too much. Place row. You don't know what days? Oh, I deleted data time apparently. And also place. The import of add days. Why? Why would it do that? That time module is beautiful. It doesn't clash with anything. Why would you do explicit imports like that? Just get rid of it. It's amazing. It's really well designed. In fact, this is one of the best time libraries I have ever used. That data.time thing. It's just so easy. Head row. Oh, really? Yeah, it's really good. Why? Because I can actually find stuff. And like the types help you to not screw up. Have you ever used a time library from, say, Java or PHP? It's just basically guessing and using Stack Overflow. Like if there's no Stack Overflow, you're basically fucked. But no, not the data time library. Everything is available in the documentation. What's about time library in Java? Is that? Are you serious? Oh, I want to add Haskell. What the fuck? There's a new one or something. The old one sucked. The date. The date class. Are you sending links, bot? What is even sending? Oh, it's it's making propaganda for Shishine. Well, he would be happy. Thanks, Bob. Do we get it? Do we get the fast type checker? Variable on the scope hetero. You don't know about hetero. Tell me about rows. But I need to import them all. What the fuck can you do arbitrary IO in ST? No. What makes you say that? Hetero, user row. What's the other one? Place row? No, that doesn't mean that. That's like mono transformer, right? Oh, maybe not. Well, it looks like it. State real world. Yeah, if you have the entire state of the entire real world inside your state monad, then it's equal to IO. That's true. If you just record the entire state of the universe and then put it in your state monad, then yeah, it's IO. That's kind of true. Alright, we don't even use place row. Advise step dying. Advise tap dying. What the fuck is this? Oh, list with key. Okay, how about we just kind of copy this, we'll void it, and then instead of user row, we'll do place row. Oh, I know. And instead of all this stuff, we just do pure. Exactly. Like we have selected, we have pagination. We have employee. And we have day. And then this is being filled by that other thing. By the function. List with key is reading this thing and putting these two in there. And then we're undefined. And everything comes up Millhouse. Oh, I can just do pure. Const. No. Really pure. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Pure. And now you're a monad. Wait, why am I doing this now? I should first get into GTID. first get into GCID. No, but I need to use it. That's the problem. Okay. Well, that's fine. We can add import. That's fine. So just yeah. Yeah, IO is more. Isn't new type IO state real world? It's a function from state to real world state. That's not true. You're inventing you're inventing this part. So you're saying that A is the same as this part. That's not true. I don't think you can weaken like that. It would say infinite type can't construct infinite type A. Because your infinite type A, you're trying to say that A is equal to that. Yes, we're having it. We got it. We did it, right? Sure. Right. Well, what editor are you using? What? The source with go to definition in my editor. Wait, what? That's in the source? But it's an infinite type, what the hell? Oh, this is strict too. Maybe that's strange. This may be like a result from compilation or something. There you go. Sure. Okay, now I can import you and try to hook it up to the table. But this doesn't work because this advice table thing is wrong. It's the wrong shape. It's using users instead of places. Yeah. A user is not a place. What are you talking about, man? That's what it's saying. You're expecting a user. How much user are you expecting it? Oh, that's because you're going inside the front. Okay. This thing determines the type of that other stuff. And then this is the wrong, right? Yes, I was doing that before. Just flexing. You would use dot? I can't use dot like that. That's crazy. Like this? Couldn't match type user with place, right? So what we need to do now is... Fuck, we actually need to assign people to places as well. In the roster. Otherwise we can't group them. I think so.